So what gave me the insight to buy side liquidity is because we took this London sell side liquidity from overnight. We already took that. We took that here, and we took it again here. And what gave me even further indication of taking some buy side liquidity is the respect of this 30-minute SIBI. We're respecting it, and it's been giving us momentum to take out this buy side right here. Now this is not London buy side, but it's buy side regardless. So I guess we're gonna take it out before we even. Yep, there we go. Nice. Well, there we go. So I've seen ICT and his son trading before 10 a.m. I don't think I'm quite ready for that yet. I could, but I don't want to force myself into it. I could have made a lot of money here, but the whole point is accepting that and appreciating price action for how precise it is. And like we just saw, let's see if we can find levels that were respected here. Might be the 25% level, I'm not sure. Gradient. Yep, 25%. So I know it says 75, but here, I'll just flip it then. So what I just did was I reverse it. Yep. So what I just did was I put a gradient, which is basically the 25, 50, 75% levels of a particular area, and this particular area is the 5-minute fair value gap, or the SIBI, the bearish fair value gap, whatever you want to call it. Did that of that range, and what do you know? It's exactly 25% of that range. So it's no denying, bro. This shit, right? You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't get any better than that. So we took both London session liquidity, the buy side and sell side. So now we look to the daily bias, which is really down here, which is PM session sell side liquidity from the previous day. So on the 30-second time frame, like this is how you'll eventually end up thinking, like, okay, like I'm looking at this is probably like a breaker on the 30-second time frame or the 15-second time frame, and you start looking at it in that perspective, and then you'll see that price is respecting it. Like this is a breaker right here. It's a breaker on a lower time frame. So right there, yep. So it went like one tick over that. Let's see. Yeah. I mean, less than a tick, really. So I would expect price to go downward now. So if we come back up here and we respect this, I might enter. I might enter. But ideally I want to wait until 10 a.m. And I anticipate this to just fucking rail through this shit. Because we've been building engineering liquidity. So with this bullish fair value gap, it would eventually turn into an inversion fair value gap if we're going to go downwards. We expect that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place a limit order up here. Sell limit. So set my stop loss at 40 ticks. And I'm going to set my TP at 40 ticks. Right there. All right. So now we got to wait it out. Now if I do get stopped out, I'll consider re-entry as long as we still respect the same levels. Because NASDAQ, again, it's a pretty volatile asset to trade. I know we're seeing a lot of lines here, so actually, what should I do here? Yeah, it is what it is. All right, and we just made $200 within how, like, less than a minute, man. So looks like we respected the high of that 30-minute Sibi. Um, I think if we see this continue to respect this Sibi, yeah, I think we're gonna head downwards still. So I'm gonna enter again. Yeah, I entered again. And I'm gonna set another TP at 40 right there. And I assume we're gonna blow through it, but honestly, let's see what happens here. Incredible. And I'm gonna set my stop loss above this inversion fair value gap. 55 ticks, 67. I'm a buyback right there. Done. And that was $480 within 2 minutes. We're definitely gonna take out this low. We're definitely gonna take it out. And then this PM session, where was it at? We may take that out. I assume we will.